Money face, man. I need to scream that a little louder, huh? Money face. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. All right, y'all. I need you right now, man, to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Don't even wait to do that, you guys. Let's get this video up to 200 likes right away, man. I would appreciate that, you guys. Also, man, do not forget to go down in the links in the description below, you guys, and to follow me on all the social media platforms, y'all. We still are very, very shy from that 1,000 follower goal on Instagram, and we've been trying to attain that for a very, very long time, you guys. So go help me out, man. Go follow me on Instagram, you guys. That'd be greatly appreciated. And then do not forget, man, I got the links to all the tools and all that stuff. I've been getting a lot of comments lately for people asking me what code reader and all that good stuff that I'm using, the jump packs and all that. Go down there, check that out. It literally says like my supplies that I use, and you can use the links and you can get to where you gotta go. All right. Now, what we got going on, you guys, right now, man, we are on this young highway like we always are. And I'm on my way out to storage, getting ready to actually go pick up the Chevy Avalanche at the new storage, you guys. So I'm getting ready to go pick up the Chevy Avalanche, and then I gotta go bring that out to my old storage and swap a car. Yeah, I know it's gonna be a lot. Because the shifter cable that I replaced on there is acting a little weird. So I need to have the mechanic redo it so that way we can get this thing posted and sold. So I'm very, very excited about getting this car on the road. And so that's going to be the goal for today for sure. Also, you guys, I finally got that Chevy Malibu Max moved, you guys. I was kind of waiting on the mechanic out there, but we got way too much stuff going on. He got way too much stuff going on. So we're getting ready to get that transmission put in. It is a transmission. It's not the shift solenoid, you guys. And Chris is going to be the one that's going to put in transmission. So yeah, man, we got a lot of stuff going on, you guys, on the back end.
Taking over, taking off. He's spazzing like he got the spaz. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. We up. I'm up. We bang when we come through. We got a blue here. We up.
Guys, I just got to the lot, man. We are basically rolling with all the punches that we got going on today. My Saturn Ion unexpectedly got here. The carrier did not let me know, or the transporter, he did not let me know he was on his way. So I'm stuck out here right now. You guys finna get ready to get this Ion. All right, y'all. So we got this joint here. It's got a little flat tire a little bald. This interior is nasty. Oh my goodness. I did not know it was like this. I'm gonna have to get this detailed for sure. Yeah, he got that thing unloaded quick too. So I'm cool with that. You could take this on a quick test drive. Make sure she rolled the way she's supposed to. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's a lot of background noise. Let's just roll this up and down the street real quick. See what she do. It's got that famous coolant light. Steering is, I haven't had that happen to me before in one of these. Let me see. I don't want to do that. All right, that's cool. Ugh, let's look at that. Nasty, y'all. Dog hair everywhere. Some more money I wasn't expecting on paying. Oh, this thing might need a little power steering pump or something, man. Hold on, let me see. Let me see, y'all. Let's take this on the drive. Oh, I got a little clunk come to it. Transmission doing what it's supposed to do, though. This thing got 225,000 miles on it, y'all. gonna go put some air in it right now too. Might as well. I left my car running like an idiot. But yeah, overall, I mean, we're doing about 40 right now. I'm getting some shaking in the front end, more than likely because of the tire. So I'm gonna put some air in this joint, see what she do. Let's see. Yep, at 55, almost 60. So I'm just getting a little shaking. The reason why I bought this car, y'all, is because I figured somebody's gonna need a cheap car. And I think this will sell pretty quick once I get it cleaned up. So y'all can see, like, it's a little dirty. But anyways, man, let me fill this air up, man. Then I gotta get going. I'm gonna bring this to the detail guy right now and have him knock this out so we can get to it, man. So see y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, so I am back at storage, at the new storage, and pressed for time again. So I just literally took this punk old G6. I need to stop talking about these cars like that because I need them to make me some money. But I just picked that joint up. I still gotta do the exhaust on it. That's why I just called it a punk old G6. So I gotta get the exhaust fixed on that. And we got the windshield guy coming out to actually do this windshield today. So I gotta literally go drop the Avalanche, which we're gonna hop in right now, you guys. I'm gonna hop in the Avalanche and we're going to run over back to the old storage so I can drop this so he can fix the shifter cable. And then I'm gonna hop in my van and come right back out here because this is gonna be the first time that my windshield guy has been here. So yeah, man, so that's what we got going on. Let me show y'all what this dang shifter cable's been doing lately. Let's see if it does it. Yeah, see how it just goes from, and then you got like from park to neutral. And so like, and that's when you're doing it fast. So look, watch. Neutral. Like, nah, I can't have that, because then what's gonna happen is I'm trying to get top dollar for this. And also already paid for the service of this being done, so I need this to be done properly. That way I don't have to explain myself when somebody comes out to buy this truck, because like I said, I'm trying to get the most money I can out of this thing. I'm even finna more than likely change the tires on here just because this truck is worth a lot of money. Y'all comment below, let me know what y'all think of 2000, I think it's an 03 Chevy Avalanche, 122,000 miles, North Face edition, 4x4. How much would you sell it for? Let me know, especially the dealers. Let me know what y'all would sell it for. And we talking about cash deal, not financing. Don't forget, man, I love when I get a lot of people that comment, especially the dealers, because then it just shows me kind of like exactly where everybody else is at with the prices. And I feel like we all be kind of on point with some of y'all be charging. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. But let's figure it out, man. Y'all let me know what y'all would sell this joint for. Let's get on this highway anyway, get where we gotta go. I gotta most definitely trying to adjust this dang seat. My brother a lot taller than me. I'm trying to get over here real quick, man, so we can get to it, man. See y'all in a second. Look what we finally got done, y'all. The Ford Edge is ready for sale, man. It's out of detail. Nice interior, baby. Leather looking clean. I mean, it smells real good in here, y'all. Yeah, smell like money. So this got 184,000 miles on it. I'm getting ready to see how much I'm getting ready to post it for. I'm gonna check the market out, do my research real quick, and then see what we can do. If you guys don't remember this one, this is one of the cars that Twan had got, and the dang engine, they had like stop leak all up in the car. So by the time we got it like halfway to the office, it started overheating. So we had to get it. Actually, we ended up making it out there. We was pouring coolant in it like every 30 miles. And we ended up bringing it out to the mechanic. Not every 30, I'm exaggerating, y'all. It's like every 10 miles, my bad. But yeah, so we ended up getting it to the mechanic, and long story short, head gaskets was bad. But as much stop leak that was in the engine, it wasn't smart for us to go ahead and do the head gasket. So we did the engine. But here's my brother right here, man. Let me get to it. I will see you guys in a second. Can't stop, won't stop, y'all. So now your boy is on his way to Abco, man. That's basically a junkyard, used part yard, whatever you want to call it, that makes you feel comfortable. I got a couple parts to pick up for a couple of different cars, man. So got to pick that up. I got the confirmation for the Cobalt that is supposed to be sold today. They told me they're gonna be running behind, so I'm trying to get this knocked out so I have to do this in the morning and we can have a smooth run. So I would love to get rid of this Cobalt today. That way we got, you know, we'll be in the green for the month, and then I actually sold the car, so that'll make me feel a lot better, especially with all the running that we got going on. And yeah, one less car to worry about, man. So I'm actually kind of mad because I passed up on a Cobalt today. I could have bought, but I was like, did I want to? I really should have bought the car, but I was just like, dang, I don't have that much space because we got, we're trying to figure out how many cars exactly we can get into the new storage. So we won't know until we actually fill that joint up, unless we go out there with, you know, and actually do some real square footage. But I don't know, man. I'm just trying to figure everything out, man. So we'll see, man. Let's get this money face up. Just made it to the lot, y'all. Probably like 5 minutes ahead of the potential customers. So we are gonna get this thing moved out the way, man. This Chevy Cobalt, get it where it needs to be, which is next to my office. And here she is, man. Just sitting there, man. This is gonna feel real good to get going, man. I didn't even have to detail it. So this is crazy. Started her up. I got the right key. Yeah. Started her right up. Good there. Gotta get this intrigue up out of here. Something I just noticed with this thing, I just took it offline, y'all. The dang power steering pump or something started leaking, man. I think it was like I think it's actually leaking like by the reservoir. You guys will probably hear it. It's not. Or maybe it might have been just the cap then, because I thought that the cap was a little bit loose. I don't know. We're gonna have to watch it. See, let's actually back this thing up real quick and see if I got any like spillage underneath the. Yep, I can see a big old puddle right there. Yeah, so it's leaking power steering fluid, man. I'm about to get this most definitely looked at. I gotta get this thing fixed, man. Can't be selling stuff with all types of leaks in it. That is not good for business at all, y'all. So, but it is a nice car, man. Like I said to y'all before, I don't think y'all saw this in the actual daytime, but she's pretty decent, man. And I like those rims. I like the tires. The tires are basically brand new, y'all. It's got that leather interior, two-tone joint. Got a little rip back there. I'm not worried about that, though. It is what it is. So, yeah, man. I think my customer is actually did they just pull up? Money face, man. I need to scream that a little louder, huh? Money face. That thing gone, man. I'm happy. It's finito. I got money. I got blue faces in the left-hand pocket. It's secured. We're going in my humble minivan that I love so much that makes me a little bit of money here and there. And yeah, man, I get to go home and I actually made a sale, man. It feels really good, man. Word jacket's right here, y'all. So yeah, man, it's a good day, productive day. We got one less car that is on the lot, and that is good for business, man. So I will see you guys on the next one, man. I do appreciate you guys if you rocked with me this far in this video, man. Do not forget, y'all, give this video a big thumbs up, man. The goal, like I said at the beginning, is to get this thing to 200 likes, man. That would be super dope. I think that'll be probably the most likes that I got in a vlog, period, if we were to do that, you guys. And yeah, like I said, man, I appreciate you guys like always, man. Oh, actually, man, hold on, y'all. Hold on real quick, man. Before we get off of here, man, we got to bring this back to the old school, you guys. I want to give a couple people some shout outs. Name off the top of my head is going to be Cyteria Stewart. She's always hit me up on IG, and then also on YouTube, just with like many blessings and all that good stuff. Let me go in here real quick, you guys. Go through my notifications, you guys. We got a new guy in here, man. Justin Sandoval, man. Shout out to you, man. Looks like you're intuitive. You're trying to get to the money. Then we got Twan. He's a new dealer out of California, man. Shout out to you, brother. William Sampson, man, you've been rocking with me for real, man. I do appreciate you guys. And then there's one more, Grumpy Old Man. I rocks with you, man. And Robert Liam, man. Shout out to all you guys, man, for rocking with me, supporting me and all that good stuff. I apologize to everybody that I haven't been giving shout outs, because we used to do that like on every weekly video. So we're gonna start back doing that, you guys, and showing you guys some support, man. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.